Is your business struggling to gather those crucial Google reviews that can make or break your online presence? Well, get ready to transform your review game. Today, we're diving into how to use Secsers, the ultimate tool for streamlining your Google review process and boosting your marketing efforts. First, head over to Secsers.com and create an account. Secsers offers a free trial, so you can test the waters before committing. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is connect your Google My Business profile. Simply click the Connect Google My Business button and follow the on-screen prompts to grant Secsers access. This allows Secsers to directly interact with your Google Business profile. Now for the magic. Navigate to the Review Campaigns section. Here, you can create customized review requests to send to your customers. Secsers lets you send requests via email or SMS. Customize your messages to reflect your brand's voice and make them personal. Secsers has pre-made templates so you do not need to start from scratch. Next, segment your customer base for targeted campaigns. For example, you might send a different message to new customers versus repeat clients. Schedule your review requests to go out at the optimal time, typically a day or two after a customer interaction, when their experience is still fresh in their mind. Finally, track your results. The Secsers dashboard provides detailed analytics on your review performance. See which campaigns are working best, monitor your average star rating, and identify areas for improvement. With Secsers, gathering Google reviews becomes a breeze, ultimately helping you attract more customers and build a stronger online reputation. Now go out there and get those 5-star reviews.